What's up, you guys? So welcome back to today's video. I'm barefaced, ready to go. We're going to be doing our Boxycharm unboxing for the month of June. Yes, I did not do my Boxycharm for the month of May because I didn't actually get mine until the very end of May. I think maybe last week I got mine. So when I got a confirmation that I was getting my box here for June, like right now, I was like, well, maybe it's wrong, because the last couple of months I've been getting my box really late. Not really sure what had happened, but thankfully I got my box for June really early so that I can do an unboxing with you guys in a try-on haul. So let's go ahead and get some makeup put on this face and get started. I always get asked what my box weighs, so just an FYI, it says that it weighs 0.94. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. And here is the card. It says a Boxycharm Getaway. So the first thing I have are a set of sheet masks. They come in a set of 3, and these are the berry antioxidant masks. So I applied that in the beginning of this video, which I will show you guys a clip up. It smells really nice, you guys, and it just feels really nice on the skin. So I definitely felt like my skin was a little bit more hydrated and ready to go. So the next thing I have is the No Problem Prime Essence, and this is by Touch in Soul, and this is a flower. This is supposed to tighten up the pores and keeps the skin silky and smooth for better long-lasting makeup, which I'm all about. All right, so let me take off my rings. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and apply. This is a very interesting product. Ooh, you really don't need a lot. I think I used way too much. So I went ahead and I just applied my makeup off camera so that way we can get scrolling through here so it's not a super long video. But if you guys are wanting to know what I use for foundation, I did go in with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. And then for my brows, I did go in with the Urban Decay Brow Blade. You guys, this thing is amazing. I love it. I do my brows like that so quickly, so quickly. And then to bronze up the skin, I went in with the WINKY Luxe Mocha Coffee Bronzer. I actually featured this in my last video, or 2 videos past, of my first impressions. Smells legit like coffee beans. If you guys love coffee, you guys would definitely appreciate this bronzer. So now we're gonna move into the eyes, because I did get an eyeshadow palette this month from Tarte. It is the BU Naturally Eyeshadow Palette. Very nice full-size mirror. And then once you look at the eyeshadows, I will say that this is probably going to be my favorite eyeshadow palette of this version that they've created so far, because it has a really nice even amount of mattes and shimmers in. So this for me is definitely like a one-stop shop for, you know, applying eyeshadow, whereas I feel like some of the other palettes that came out that were in the circular version had a majority of them were shimmers. Let's go ahead and start off with the very first color we're going to take today. Oh, where are the shades? What? So mine does not have shades. Oh, the shades are on the back. Stupid stuff. I'm going to start off with the very first shade, which I believe is called Tropical. I'm going to use that as my brow bone highlight. Love it. Very, very apparent that I need to pluck my brows, so give me a second. Steph, you let yourself go. Oh my gosh, that's not good. Okay, that's a little bit better, but I definitely know what I'm going to be doing on my Friday night. I'm going to take this matte camel color, and I'm going to be using a fluffy brush. This is my Morphe E27, and I'm just going to swish that around all over the eye. You can be pretty sloppy with this, like you don't have to be super perfect with it. I'm just going to kind of fan it outward past my eye right here, and I just want it to kind of blow out, so it's kind of like the first layer of color. So there is that color. I really like it. I will say that it was really easy to blend, and I could definitely build it a little bit more if I wanted to, which is great. But now we're going to move into this deep chocolate shade right here. I believe this is called Explore, I believe is the color. So to apply this color, I just like to kind of keep my eye open so that way I can see where exactly I'm placing the color. I do want to be able to see that deeper tone shade, not a lot, but it just helps me kind of place the color and see just how high up I want it. And then once I get a kind of the gist of where that color is going to be placed, then I can close my eye and work. My plan is to also take that deep chocolate brown and also run it on my lower lash line. For the lid, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I want to say it's called Glacier, and I'm just going to use my pinky to apply it. There is a little bit of fallout with this one, so I'm going to take a little bit of setting spray to kind of bind it. right, maybe I should have used my brush. I'm gonna use my brush, I think. I think a lot of people are going to enjoy this palette because it's very easy, it's very neutral, it's very wearable. So I'm done there. I'm gonna go back into this brow bone shade that we used, and I'm gonna apply that for the inner corner. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and I applied the lashes and everything. You definitely don't have to use lashes, but you guys know me, I like to be a little bit extra. So we're gonna go ahead and finish off. So I did see that we were gonna get Dominique Cosmetics lip products in our box this month, and I was so excited, you guys, because I love her. She's so gorgeous. I do have her Latte palette. It is one of my favorite palettes, but I did see that she came out with the, oh my gosh, that blue palette. Did you guys see it yet? Like, it is gorgeous. And so I was like, I'm probably gonna have to get you. I did get the shade Peach Tea. So I did apply a lip liner, and I just use it kind of like all over. This is just the Jante Blue lip liner in the shade Nude. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh, I think I like strawberry shortcake. I don't know why. So good. And then the last thing I have is the box right here. This is Steve Laurent's Jelly Highlighter, and this is in the shade Cotton Candy. It's got a nice little pinky shade to it. Ooh. Oh my gosh, look at that, you guys. You could definitely probably use your fingers. I don't like to use my fingers though, for some reason. Let me go ahead and blend it out with the beauty sponge though. I definitely can see that you could make this so much brighter if you wanted to. I also do like that it sits really nicely over powder, which is great to see. So we are finished with our Boxycharm unboxing. If you guys are wanting to subscribe to Boxycharm, I'll have all that good details down below. I did want to mention before we jump out of this though, if you guys were wondering what I got in my box for last month, I'll just do a really quick rundown because like I said, I got it super late, but last month we got the Glam Glow. This is the Gentle Bubble, and then I have also in here is the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in Talk is Chic. Dose of Color liquid lipsticks, some of my favorite formula. I also got the Eye Luster Cream Shadow by Ciat, and this is in the shade Cupid. And then I got this Mellow Brow Definer. And then the other one I did get, which I was going to play around with today, was the Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio. So that is what I have in my box. I definitely need to play around with it. I'll probably do like an Instagram tutorial or something using it. Or I'll just add it to my first impressions. But that is everything that's inside. That is from last month in May. But this month, let me know what you guys thought about this month's box, if you guys are getting it or not, and what you guys are most excited about if you are getting it. If you guys are new to my channel, I welcome you, and make sure to hit that subscribe button before you head out. Also, if you guys are new or you guys are just already subscribed to my channel and you don't have that notification bell on, make sure to hit that notification bell. I do upload on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays at 6 p.m. If you guys just don't have that notification bell, that is my schedule, but it's nice to have that because for an upload like today's, which is totally off my schedule, it allows you to know when I upload, because I do sometimes just randomly upload, especially with unboxings, because I like to get those out pretty quickly for you guys so that you guys can see how I put the looks and everything together. So anyways, that is today's video. I love you guys. I will see you guys all in my next video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.